In this video, we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching in your device. For this first method, close Roblox completely. Open up Task Manager. In the process section, you need to search for Roblox. If it's running in background means we need to end the task completely. Search for Roblox and Roblox Player Beta. Click it and end the task. In the next step, reinstall Roblox. For this first, open up Run and type the following text appwiz.cpl. Type it correctly and click enter. The uninstall page will open. In this, you need to search for Roblox and uninstall it. Once the uninstall complete after, close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Roblox folder and delete it. Once completely deleting the Roblox folder, you need to open up browser. Go to the official website of Roblox, roblox.com/download, and click download. It's downloading right now. Once complete after, click it and click install. Make sure you need to go to the official website and download and install the Roblox. After that, you can sign in, or if you're new to Roblox means you can create an account. Before that, we need to right click the Roblox and click properties, click compatibility and enable Roblox run as administrator and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. If it's having means make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If Roblox itself not having means you can click allow another app. Click open file location of the Roblox, copy the address and come back and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and click add. I already have so I skip it. You can add and make sure you should enable in both private and public. So this is how to fix the issue. Thank you.